What's up, AVI fans? Today we're going to be installing the Dynamics Switchback C-Lights on my Subaru Impreza 2016. So here we got the headlights. So the new DRLs are supposed to go around here, here, and here, how it should be, but stock, there's only one bulb that illuminates and has just this brightness. Let me show you, actually. So you can kind of see only that part is lit. Which is, it just doesn't make sense. Why have this whole boomerang when you only have one part of it lit? So that's what we're going to do today. I'll show you in the box here. So this is what it looks like from Dynamics. We have these switchback C-lights from yellow to white. You can use them as a turn signal. So yeah, it should look cool once it's on. And the TheShopCT is gonna hook us up by installing it. So so we're on our way there. And then you got the resealing. TheShopCT. So they told me to park curbside. I don't know where that would be. Probably one of these places. We made it. So let's review what we got. Got a couple sleepers. Carbon fiber diffuser. Nice. This one doesn't have it. R8. Gated manual. Nice. Bunch of STIs. What's up, AVI? I know this is a weird transition, but here we are a week later. Well, over a week. Today's Wednesday. I dropped it off last Monday. So it's over a week. But here we are, finished product from the TheShopCT. They did a good job. Here it is. Here's with the blinker. And I'll show you the white light. So here's how it looks with the white light. Cool, aggressive, as they say. Let me show you how it looks underneath here. So yeah, let me go over the pros and cons with you guys. Pros, if you get it done by the shop or any other place, they do it takes a long time. For me, it took over a week for them to finish, but at the same time, I know it was professionally done. And I know if I did it myself, I would probably screw up and probably wouldn't be close to done. And here's how it looks like. I guess they had some kind of glue here. Sorry, the noise is pretty loud. But yeah, they kind of sealed up the headlight with some glue. Same on this side. And you know, it's not perfect. For example, this headlight looks clear. There's no condensation. But on this headlight, I think it's very noticeable. It's kind of looks a little embarrassing actually. But I guess those are the pros and cons of you know, getting it done by somebody else, because you know, if you did it yourself, you'd make sure that that's clean and everything. I'm sure it's not even condensation. It just looks like they try to clean the inside of it and it just got messed up. That doesn't look like condensation to me. Let's see, is that looks like a droplet. Let me see here. Oh, we got the same dot. Okay, so yeah, to me it looks like some dried up alcohol that they used to clean it up in there. And I guess they didn't really do a good job cleaning it, wiping it down, finishing it off. But I mean, there we go with the boomerang switchback light. And I guess I'm okay with it because, you know, I couldn't do it myself. So maybe another time I'll get this fixed. Who knows? It was a process. At the same time, look at this. They didn't really match up the headlight with the seam in there, so we have a little gappage here. They did fine on this side. Looks perfect. Here though, maybe I could just like fix it myself by pushing it back or something. I don't know. Don't want to break anything. But yeah, those are my new daytime running lights, C-Lights by Diode Dynamics. And I'll finish off with a little video montage.